Hi there, Chris Bench, essay coach for HelloCollege, and I want to talk to you today about the second prompt for the Common App personal statement. That second prompt, the lessons we take from obstacles we encounter can be fundamental to later success. Recount a time when you faced a challenge, setback, or failure. How did it affect you, and what did you learn from that experience? Now, this is the classic underdog story. This is every sports movie you've ever seen. This is Rudy, put me in, coach. This is Rocky. This is the Bad News Bears. This is the story of facing odds and overcoming them. Now, this is a super common prompt for people to use, and I tend to think a very strong one potentially. There is a common mistake that people make with this prompt, and that is that they focus too long on the obstacles that they encounter. So if you spend, if you want to write your essay about how you struggled in the early part of your high school academically, but then you got your act together by senior year, and you spend 600 of the 650 words in your Common App personal statement telling us about all the ways that you screwed up, you skipped school, you didn't study for those tests, you slept in through first period. If you spend 90% of the essay telling us all the ways that you screwed up, and then 50 words at the end to tell us about, how you made good, even though it ends with you making good, we're going to remember that initial part a lot more. You want to make sure that you flip that ratio, that you spend just sort of a brief bit up front telling us, okay, it was bad, acknowledging it, and then focus instead on all the actions that you took to solve that problem. Talk about finding a tutor. Talk about spending late nights studying. Talk about the piles and piles of flashcards that you had, the underlining that you did in your biology book, the conversations that you had with your English teacher about Catcher in the Rye that really sort of made it come alive for you. Tell us about those things where we can see you correcting the problem so that what we remember, what we take away is all the improvement and not just the bad stuff.